a reliable company leading creative product development with integrity and a challenging spirit, Allspawn. Right now, Allspawn is doing its best to improve the health of city dwellers. Allspawn has always pursued the best value with a creative spirit. Of the product Allspawn has developed that aim to improve the health of city dwellers, we will focus on electrostatic potential therapy equipment, Allspawn's technology-intensive flagship products. In the 18th century, Benjamin Franklin discovered the significant electrical phenomena that occurred between the Earth's surface and space. Potential therapy uses the potential energy of electricity and applies some of this potential to a human body against zero potential in nature. It was applied first to treatment and following a long period of research and development is now being applied to specialized therapies in various areas. Potential therapy is a form of physiotherapy that loads high currents to the isolated human body, generates an electrical field around the body, and helps the body maintain its own homeostasis. Computer simulations of the results of the use of potential therapy have shown that the electric field spread around the surrounding space also acts on the human body's surface. Potential therapy's effectiveness has been verified many times by journals at home and abroad, and in the clinical trials of physical education papers. According to the Korean Society of Sports Science, and in particular 2 journal articles on potential therapy, an article by Professor Lee Myeon-young, Deokseong Women's University, and an article by Professor Choi Sung-wook, Seongshin Women's University, it was found that the therapy had 78% effectiveness in treating hypertension, gastritis, and hyperacidity, and that applying an electric current increased serum calcium ion and inclined the body towards alkalinity, showing that the potential therapy acted effectively on the human body. At a workshop on the use of electrostatic potential therapy equipment in Dongseol Hospital in 2006, it was verified that potential therapy was effective in treating diseases. Electrostatic potential therapy equipment has also been installed and used in many other hospitals, as well as the Seongshin Women's University's Family Health and Welfare Center and MBC's rooms for TB talents and Christians. On the other hand, the medical department of Toshi University, Japan, found that calcium ions in the blood were significantly increased after the use of the equipment, verifying that it helped blood to maintain a weak alkalinity, and the Veterinary School of Iwate University, Japan, conducted electric field therapy of the potential equipment on feline-acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, for 14 days, releasing the results that through experimental data on lymphocyte activating, cells became younger and more active. In addition, when the potential therapy was administered to hypertension patients, their blood pressure was lowered. The hospital also found that the therapy was helpful in relieving the symptoms of chronically ill patients. Through various studies of potential therapy, its safety and therapeutic efficiency have been proven. Electrostatic potential therapy equipment has received unique certifications in the treatment of 4 symptoms: headache, shoulder stiffness, insomnia, and chronic constipation from the Japanese Ministry of Health, Labor, and Welfare. Through clinical trials on its use to treat many other diseases, its effectiveness has been proven and experiments are ongoing. In addition, research on its safety has been conducted from various angles. Through 2 safety experiments based on GLP, the strict management standard used for developing medical supplies, Allspawn's electrostatic potential therapy equipment has been proven safe. The first experiment was a toxicity test. The electric field of 10,000 volt was applied to 24 female and male rats every 15 minutes for a day and for 13 weeks, after which rats were compared with a control group to analyze the biological and medical differences. The analysis showed that there was no toxic impact on the group. The second experiment was a first-generation reproductive toxicity test. By using 58 female and male rats, the electric field of 10,000 volt was applied to them for 15 minutes a day before breeding, in pregnancy, and in the nursing period. The analysis on the effect on parents' reproduction ability and their children's development showed that there was no difference with the control group not applied to the electric field, and that there was also no toxic impact. Through such rigorous testing, Osborne's electrostatic potential therapy equipment has been approved by the Korea Food and Drug Administration of the Ministry of Health and Welfare for use by men and women of all ages. Osborne's electrostatic potential therapy equipment boasting superior efficacy and safety. The Promise 12,000 makes it possible to check treatment status through its unique design. Its 12 output patterns, 3 automatic mode output patterns, and sleep mode enable busy urbanites to use it more easily and comfortably. Now, please enjoy a healthy and fresh life with Osborne's electrostatic potential therapy equipment through its easy-to-use remote controller.